ingredients. Please take a screenshot. Put the sweet potatoes followed by the condensed milk. Mix well. This will serve as the Butchi's filling. In a separate bowl, completely dissolve sugar in hot water. That now we can put it in the flour. Remember to add it gradually to get the right consistency. Scoop enough mixture and slowly roll it to have a ball-shaped form. Flatten it and put it in a filling. Dapat nakatago ang filling ha, parang sa crush ko. In a separate bowl, combine the flour and water. This will help the sesame seed stick to the butchi while frying. Dip each ball into the watery mixture and coat it with sesame seeds. Time for frying. Fry it until golden brown. Looks yummy, kuya. Super yummy talaga. Yummy! Thank you for watching. Hanggang mamaya. Paalam!